Hello. I am Alex, and today we have the most colourful and exciting episode ever.
That is right. Today we are stepping into one of the most magical worlds of entertainment, the circus.
Yes, the circus is a place of pure wonder, incredible talent, and non-stop excitement and amazement.
And we are going to explore the amazing world of circus together in simple and easy English today.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, have you ever been to a real circus before?
Yes, I went to a circus when I was about 8 years old, and I still remember every single moment.
Oh, wow. What was the very first thing that amazed you when you walked inside?
The moment I walked in, I saw the enormous round performance area, and I could not believe my eyes.
In English, that round performance area in a circus is called the ring, or the circus ring.
The ring is the circular space in the centre where all the incredible performers do their amazing acts.
In English, acts means individual performance pieces, each different show within the bigger circus event.
And the whole circus takes place inside a huge, colourful tent called the Big Top.
In English, we can say, the Big Top is the iconic large tent that houses all the excitement of the circus.
Iconic means so famous and so recognisable that it immediately makes people think of something specific.
Walking into the Big Top for the first time is one of the most magical feelings a child can ever experience.
In English, we can say, the circus creates a truly magical atmosphere that fills audiences with pure wonder and joy.
Atmosphere means the overall feeling and mood that a place or event creates for everyone experiencing it.
Now let us talk about the most exciting performers you can find in a traditional circus.
Yes, the circus has so many incredible and talented performers, each one more amazing than the last.
Let us start with one of the most beloved circus performers of all time, the acrobat.
In English, we can say, an acrobat is a performer who does incredible gymnastics and athletic feats with their body.
Athletic feats means impressive physical achievements that require extraordinary strength, flexibility, and coordination.
Coordination means the ability to control different parts of your body smoothly and efficiently at the same time.
Acrobats can do backflips, handstands, human pyramids, and incredibly complex tumbling sequences.
In English, tumbling means performing a series of acrobatic movements across the floor or through the air.
Watching a group of acrobats perform together is so breathtaking. You cannot believe what human bodies can do.
In English, you can say, the acrobats moved with such grace and precision that the audience was completely mesmerized.
Grace means moving in a smooth, elegant, and beautiful way that looks completely effortless and natural.
Precision means performing with exact accuracy. Every movement is perfectly controlled and perfectly timed.
Now let us talk about another absolute circus favourite, the amazing trapeze artists.
Oh, the trapeze is one of the most thrilling and heart-stopping acts in the entire circus.
In English, we can say, trapeze artists swing on high bars and perform breathtaking catches and releases high in the air.
Thrilling means causing a sudden feeling of intense excitement mixed with a little bit of wonderful fear.
The trapeze is a horizontal bar hanging from long ropes high up near the ceiling of the Big Top.
Trapeze artists swing back and forth, building momentum before launching themselves through the air to a catcher.
Momentum means the speed and force built up by something that is moving continuously in one direction.
The catcher is the trapeze artist who hangs upside down and catches the flying performer mid-air.
In English, mid-air means in the middle of the air, not touching the ground or any surface at all.
In English, you can say, the flying trapeze act is one of the most death-defying and spectacular circus performances.
Death-defying means so dangerous that it seems like the performer is risking their life. But they are safe.
Now let us talk about the performer that children everywhere love the most, the circus clown.
Oh yes, clowns are the heart and the laughter of the circus. They make everyone smile no matter what.
In English, we can say, circus clowns use physical comedy, silly costumes, and funny props to entertain the audience.
Physical comedy means humour that comes from funny body movements, falls, and silly physical situations.
Props means objects that performers use during their act to create funny or spectacular effects on stage.
Classic clown props include oversized shoes, tiny bicycles, squirting flowers, and the famous pie in the face.
In English, you can say, clowns use slapstick humour to make audiences of all ages laugh together as one.
Slapstick humour means comedy based on exaggerated physical actions like falling, bumping, and silly mistakes.
Exaggerated means done in a much bigger and more dramatic way than normal to make it funnier and more noticeable.
And one of the most famous clown traditions is fitting impossibly many clowns into one tiny little car.
In English, you can say, the clown car gag never fails to delight and surprise audiences of every generation.
A gag means a comedy trick or joke that is performed to get a guaranteed laugh from the audience every time.
Now let us talk about one of the most jaw-dropping circus acts, the Lion Tamer.
Oh wow, the Lion Tamer is one of the most thrilling and nerve-wracking acts in the whole circus.
In English, we can say, a lion tamer is a fearless performer who works closely with dangerous wild animals in the ring.
Nerve-wracking means causing intense anxiety and nervousness, making you hold your breath with worry.
Fearless means showing absolutely no fear even when facing something genuinely dangerous and intimidating.
The lion tamer uses a whip, a chair, and incredible confidence to direct the lions around the ring.
In English, direct means to guide and control the movements and behaviour of something or someone.
In English, you can say, watching the lion tamer perform feels like witnessing something truly impossible and extraordinary.
Now let us also talk about the incredible juggler, another classic and beloved circus performer.
In English, we can say, a juggler is a performer who keeps multiple objects in the air simultaneously by tossing and catching them.
Simultaneously means happening at exactly the same time, all at once rather than one after another.
Expert jugglers can juggle 5, 6, or even 7 objects at the same time without dropping a single one.
In English, you can say, the juggler's lightning-fast hands and incredible focus kept the audience completely spellbound.
Lightning fast means extremely quick, as fast as a flash of lightning across the sky.
Spellbound means so completely captivated and fascinated that you cannot move or look away at all.
Jugglers can use balls, clubs, rings, knives, and even fire torches, getting more dangerous every time.
In English, fire torches means sticks with burning flames at the end, extremely dangerous and absolutely spectacular.
Now let us talk about the incredible tightrope walker, one of the most ancient and respected circus arts.
In English, we can say, a tightrope walker balances and walks across a thin wire stretched high above the ground.
Tightrope walking requires extraordinary balance, absolute concentration, and nerves of steel.
Nerves of steel means being so mentally strong and calm that nothing can make you nervous or shake your confidence.
Some tightrope walkers perform their act without any safety net below them. Pure, incredible bravery.
In English, safety net means a large net stretched below performers to catch them if they accidentally fall.
In English, you can say, watching a tightrope walker perform without a safety net is absolutely terrifying and thrilling.
Now let us learn some really useful English phrases for talking about the circus in conversation.
First phrase, you can say, the circus was the most spectacular and entertaining show I have ever seen.
Or try, I was completely blown away by the acrobats. Their strength and flexibility were absolutely unbelievable.
You can also say, the trapeze act had me on the edge of my seat the entire time it was happening.
On the edge of my seat means so tense and excited that you are leaning forward nervously in your chair.
Another great phrase is, I could not believe my eyes when the juggler kept adding more and more objects.
And the clowns made everyone laugh so hard, the whole audience was completely in stitches.
In stitches means laughing so hard and uncontrollably that your sides actually hurt from all the laughter.
These phrases will help you describe exciting performances naturally and expressively in English.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick and fun review of all the amazing circus performers from today.
We met the acrobat, performing incredible athletic feats with breathtaking grace and perfect precision.
We watched the trapeze artists, swinging high above and making death-defying mid-air catches.
We laughed with the circus clowns, bringing slapstick joy and non-stop laughter to audiences everywhere.
We held our breath watching the lion tamer, fearlessly directing dangerous wild animals in the ring.
We marvelled at the juggler, keeping multiple objects flying through the air with lightning-fast hands.
And we gasped at the tightrope walker, balancing impossibly on a thin wire high above the ground.
In English, you can say, the circus is a magical world where human talent and bravery combine to create pure wonder.
Pure wonder means a feeling of complete amazement and joy that fills your heart and takes your breath away.
Now it is your turn to practice your English right now in the comments section below.
Right. My favourite circus act is blank because blank. Fill it in with your own words.
All right. If I could be any circus performer, I would be a blank because blank.
Use the vocabulary and phrases from today and make your comment as fun and expressive as possible.
Every English sentence you write here is real and valuable practice. We are so proud of all of you.
If this episode was helpful and fun, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
Share this video with your friends who love entertainment and want to practice English together.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next exciting and colourful episode.
Remember, every English conversation you practice brings you one giant step closer to real fluency.
Keep going, keep learning, and keep performing your best English every single day.
We believe in you completely, and we are cheering for your English journey every step of the way.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly amazing, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.